Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on Live Translate. So if you find this video useful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more helpful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up the Call app, then click on the three dots on the top right hand side. Once you're on here, go to Settings, and then near the top you should see Live Translate. So you want to tap on that. Once you're on here, all you need to do is obviously toggle the off switch to on, and then for more information below I'll just let you know, get real-time translation during calls. Tap the Call Assist button, then select Live Translate on the in-call screen anytime to start translating. All data for this feature is processed on your phone. Then underneath that you can check your setup. So obviously you can have the primary language setup, which is obviously English, but you could also download other languages if you want to do that by just clicking on this little arrow on the right hand side. And you can come out of here and you can check the voice as well. You'll have two options. So once you click on one, it'll give you a little sample.
This is what it sounds like when you're translating a call.
And you can also change the speech rate as well on there, and it'll give you a sample of that as well.
This is what it sounds like when you're translating a call.
Once you're happy with that, you can come out of there, and then you can look at Mute My Voice. So this just means the other person will only hear a translation of what you say. So you can obviously turn that on as well. Then underneath, you have the other person that will obviously get the translation done for you. So at the moment I've got this set up as Dutch, but you could obviously change it to any language that you want on there as well. And then obviously you can change the voice. I'll have one setting, and then you can change the speech rate on there too. And you can also select mute other person's voice as well. So you can obviously toggle that on too. And then you can also set up a preset for each person. So this just means set languages and voices to use for calls with specific phone numbers or contacts. So you can just go on there. You can add a contact number and that will be preset for you. So that's how you can turn on Live Translate. Thanks for watching.